Some of you have asked that when they bleach, they get skin burns or rashes. I've been doing it for years. I use Pond's cream. Pond's cold cream, just take some with your finger and apply it everywhere. And this will create a lining for the bleach not to hurt your skin. Just apply it all over. Neck. Don't forget to bleach your neck as well. You don't want it to have a separate color. And plus with bleach and this Pond's, you sort of cleanse your face as well. The dead skin comes on the top. After you've applied your Pond's cream, I've mixed my Jolene bleach. This is what I'm using. So I've mixed it all well, and then I'll take any makeup brush, any spare makeup brush you have lying. What the brush does is it gives a smooth layer of bleach. Just pull your hair away. You don't want to bleach all of it. It has to look natural. I've just removed from here and applied it here. There's small hair on the forehead also. So I've tried to pull it back with this band, and now let's finish this. You can finish any side first. Doesn't matter. Make sure it covers the crevices. So I've completed my, so I've applied everywhere a thin layer, and just always check if there's any bleach on this part because it will open the pores. We don't want that. Just clean this and remove it and you're fine. The rest I've applied. Leave it for whatever it says on the box, 30 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever suits you. Do something, and what happens is that if you have a layer of cream or a moisturizer, I would recommend this highly. Get Pond's Cold Cream. It's really nice. It protects your skin from burning while putting bleach. I've used it all my life for cleansing makeup, removing makeup, everything. And honestly, it's the best. After washing your face, just apply the cream and moisturizer and you are good to go. And apply your makeup as usual. See, there's no rash, skin burning after the Pond's cream under bleach. Just apply the moisturizer you use and you are fine. How did you like my tip?